development, Mabaye, fresh development again, update that has just come in this evening. This evening, as you can see, the night is now falling on in the backyard of a community. Straight message from office of one of the son of the soil. Well, engineer Ilari Onek has requested for assistance to help bring the body of our beloved brother Daniel Soca back home. A letter dated the 16th of July 2024 states that in the reference, request for assistance to collect the body of Daniel Soca from Kenyatta Hospital in Nairobi, Kenya. This is to introduce to you Mr. Kato Habe with NIN number CM8906010175VA and Mr. Ubu Richard Mike with NIN numbers CM860191029029ZNF. Drivers of ambulance vehicle number UBJ962Y. The vehicle is going to Nairobi, Kenya to pick the body of our deceased son, Mr. Daniel Soca, who passed on from Kenyatta Hospital. His body is to be taken to Lamour, Palabek County in Uganda for a decent burial. In assistance rendered to Mr. Kato Habe and Mr. Obu Richard Mike will be highly appreciated. They can be reached on telephone number 0782123621. Attached are copies of their national identification card. So national identification cards have also been attached, signed by Engineer Hilary Onek, who is also a member of Parliament and Minister for Relief, Disaster and Preparedness and Refugees. When one of our friends, that is Tekwo Wilfred of Luo TV, contacted the number given, the information he got is these guys are driving and are committed to bring the body back home, and they're expected to bring his body tomorrow, the 17th or the 18th of July 2024. This is the update that has just come in from the issue of burying Daniel Soca, which had faced serious diplomatic, bureaucratic, and even financial challenges. But at the end, Hillary has joined Honorable Amir among the top profiles who have got sympathy for these brothers of ours. May his soul rest in peace. Thank you.